This week on DIY Mom, the kitchen is getting a major overhaul. We are ripping out the old kitchen cabinets and replacing them with gorgeous cabinets from the Midnight Collection at Home Hardware. I'm driving over to their showroom so I can order exactly what I need. To maximize the space in my small kitchen, I'm putting in as many drawers as possible. I personally love the drawers in my own kitchen, and they really make storage simple and clean. And though the price tag might be a little higher for drawers, I find it's well worth the cost in the end. Home Hardware has just launched a new collection of kitchen cabinets. I've chosen dark cabinets from the Midnight Collection for the lower part of my kitchen. My kitchen design will be dark on the bottom with white countertops and white backsplash reflecting the light up and giving the illusion that the space is larger. Fortunately for me, the cabinets I'm looking for are in stock, so it's not going to take long to receive them. The old cabinets and the appliances are all going. The old cabinets are rotten and smelly and unfortunately had a cat living in them, so those are gonna go straight into the junk bin. Appliances for a small space can be tricky to sort out, so I had to make sure that the fridge I ordered would fit. I also found a low profile microwave and will be doing an Electrolux induction cooktop. After patching the kitty litter hole on the other side of the kitchen wall, we sprayed everything down with a bacteria killer. I'm hoping now that the old cabinets are gone, that smell will be gone for good too.
There's a busy bee, humming merrily, and your little voice sings the melody. You're the only one who loves me full on.
My countertop is here and it's looking fabulous. So this is going to be a nice big kitchen sink since there's no dishwasher. This is tiny home living in this little apartment. I want to cram as much into the small space as possible. So this will be enough to sit 2 small stools and enjoy your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. One of my favorite features in the apartment is this exposed stone and brick foundation wall. So I need to find a tile for my kitchen backsplash that won't compete with it. I decided to go with a white high gloss finish. The high gloss will reflect the light back into the apartment, and the triangle pattern will add some flair without overpowering the original stone. So it's exactly what I was looking for. The tiles go on easily, and with a little bit of focus, I can get the pattern right. It's best to stand back and take a look at your work as you go along to make sure that your line isn't drifting. It's starting to look like we're nearing the end of this renovation, but there's just so many little things that still need to get done. All my light fixtures need to go in, still needs to be painted. We've got to grout a few places, and every day that this place is not online is costing me money from this point out, so I need to get it done. I'm using warm gold tones and aged brass throughout the apartment to keep with that historic feel. I have a few final touches up my sleeve to really warm up the room. Now that I've got my kitchen supplies from Home Hardware, I'm hoping my guests will really feel at home here at the East Coast Oasis. Now all that's left to do is finish the staging and photograph the space. It's crucial to have really nice professional pictures for your Airbnb rental to sell that place, to make it stand out above all the other listings and to get the highest dollar value for your rental. The kitchen was definitely the biggest project in this whole renovation, but what a transformation. The history and charm is all here, but now we have a super sleek, functional, small kitchen with appliances that are perfect for short-term guests.